425.
425. Could you explain a little bit on the radio setup?
Okay.
That you've done?
This is a special demo setup we prepared for this H5. This is a commercial aero antenna, dual band aero antenna. So 7 elements for a UHF and a 3 elements for a VHF. We have extended a boom to put up all the fixtures or the tracking device, mobile, logo. So we have modified this boom, extended boom. All the thing, our concept was that whenever we need to give demo it outside, okay, all the things you are saying we required. So we don't find any cables or any fixtures we need to place. So we have put, we have prepared a fixture where we can put all the devices, including our downlink radio, uplink radio, our laptop for frequency correction and the selection of the satellite. Coming to the point, this is our tracking device. We are using mobile application. We are right now using ISS detector for the tracking. And the manual Doppler correction will be made manually for this HP. Okay, because we have very limited Doppler shifting in a VHF band, but with 3 times of Doppler correction is required in a UHF band. So it will be taken care by. This is a 705 for downlink. And it is connected with gate control with PST rotator, and PST rotator will automatically control the Doppler correction. So this is the basic setup, and this is a full duplex configuration. So our intention is that whatever we are triggering to the ISS, we can if we are perfectly triggering the ISS, we will be getting back our own voice, and we all can listen to the speakers. Okay, I will be wearing my headphone also, but you all can listen from the speakers. So this is the basic setup, but the same setup, what the essential, this is a simple setup. Any question related to any setup, or we have taken more? Auto frequency Doppler correction will not be available in a handle. Okay, so this is a software controlled features we are getting. G Predict, Orbitron, any PST rotator can facilitate. So we can't, software can't correct our Doppler frequencies. So for that purpose, we are using 705. But if you are okay and shifting or correction, you can do it. I have done lots of contact with a two-handy also. I was simply using IO antenna, dual band IO antenna, and with that antenna I have made hundreds of contacts. So it's all absolutely possible. Any question? Yeah, please.
You said for VHF, since the shift is so very small, you can manually key in the delta, right?
Yes, exactly.
How do you, do you just key it in or?
No, I simply key, okay, up and down. So I know that after half, the pass is for around 10 minutes. So what I will do, after 3 minutes, I will switch it, okay, plus, one step plus. So I will set for 2.5 kilohertz. So this is okay. So it's a trial and error process. And we will have some confirm future. No, this is a simple 7 element for UHF and 3 elements for a VHF antenna. Yeah, my hand is 3 to be 8 volts. Simple selection for any satellite will be around 90 degrees. So zenith, at the point of zenith, it will be 90 degree. So starting from the 0 and up to the 90 degree, this will be the maximum elevation. So again, if we are getting these two parameters, we can point our antenna to the particular direction, and we are able to make it satellite contact. Okay. Thereafter, also we need to check out for the polarization. If polarization is mismatched, we will not be able to hear or can't transmit, and we can't trigger the satellite also. So we are 9 minutes away from the actual pass, so we can carry out a few more questions. We can answer a few more questions. This is our first attempt to, actually we are doing lots of school colleges activities. For yesterday we did plant, we already tested our setup, and we worked with 4 different stations. So actually Vector uniform number 2, Echo X-ray Papa. calling on ISS. To Echo X-ray Papa calling on ISS. Victor uniform number 2 Echo X-ray Papa calling on ISS. Your five are giving a satellite demonstration to Hamfest India delegates. Bye bye 73. Kyoto Lima Bravo Whiskey. This is Victor Uniform 2 Echo X-ray Papa. Your 5x9 Castle.
That was VU to LBW from Bangalore.
Roger. Thank you so much, Lucky. Delegates are listening to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye 73. Alpha Papa to Hotel Alpha, your 5x9. This is Victor Uniform 2 Echo X-ray Papa, your 5x9 QSL.
I'm getting it.
VU3 Yankee Foxtrot Delta, this is Victor Uniform 2 Echo X-ray Papa, your 5x9. Bye bye 73.
Nice meeting you and best wishes to you. Okay, 73.
QSL on deck. Bye bye 73. QRZ, please repeat your call, please.
Charlie Uniform 3 Juliet Hotel November VU3
VU3 JHN, this is Victor Uniform 2 Echo X-ray Papa, your 5x9 QSL. VU3 Juliet Hotel November, this is Victor Uniform